Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is of course the Vice of Dems. So today we'll be going on a open house tour, call it that. So we kind of get tired of living in an apartment, so we have been looking around to see if we can find, somewhere else to live. So this house came up on the open market, and they have an open house today. So we decided to just go in and check it out. And of course, there's nobody else who would like to take on this journey other than you guys. You don't know the thing set. Big up on yourself. If you like my channel so far, guys, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to say. Of course, that's why we're there. Okay, so just enjoy, stay tuned, and look on this house and tell us if you think this is a good house for us. Our family is extending, and we want to find somewhere that is convenient for all of us. So of course, leave a comment, let us know if you think this is a good fit for us and what you think about the house as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.
Days on the market, starting at 649.9,
Okay.
3.5 bath. Tax of the year, it's probably give or take that. We have to put something. And then 2,336 square feet.
Okay.
That's not including the basement.
Okay.
That's just
Just top
Yeah.
upper. Okay.
so the master is down here. And the master bedroom has its own laundry room.
Laundry?
Yeah, its own laundry hookups, so you can put stackable in there.
Wow.
The builder will do obviously appliance allowance is $5,000, but you're probably gonna need honestly like 10 to 12 in this side of the house. He will do the fence, landscape, AC within reason of the price, right?
Yeah.
So he's willing to do anything if you guys want to change anything.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Which
I
is
like the kitchen.
I love the kitchen.
it's big.
I love the kitchen.
And this is the master bedroom.
Yeah, you bet.
It's pretty close to the kitchen.
Yeah, man. When you're not in the middle of the night, you need a snack. It's right here.
Cool, man. I leave. And the stove go here. It's nice.
That's
Wow.
That's exactly what I said.
I'm like, wow.
And
Yeah.
then you got a standing
This
shower
is
right here.
really cool. It is nice. It's nice one. Oh, what's this in the inside?
I must say the laundry.
The laundry thing? Oh, bathroom, a toilet.
Okay.
Yeah, this is so nice. And standing shower, and this is nice, man.
And you got a walk-in closet. And you can open your own laundry thing right there, so front.
Yeah. This is nice. I like this.
Come, let's check out upstairs.
I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. And I like the drop down and stuff. Yo, it's nice.
Who wants to buy a seller house too? So if you get the seller house, it's kind of like whoever sells their house first. Yeah.
How far does the yard go back? Only just
No, you see this guy over here? Oh, yeah, so the yard's on.
That's outside?
No. It's like garage.
Okay.
This is the garage. This is nice. I like the bathroom.
So is there no one bedroom?
Downstairs.
So guys, this is supposed to be a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. So on the main floor, you have the master bedroom, right? And you have half of a bathroom. And then when you go upstairs, you're supposed to have another 2-bedroom, which can be used like for kids' bedroom. And then in the basement, you would have another 2-bedroom, right? Personally speaking, still I don't really like all some of the things set up on the main floor, like the master bedroom, where you have a laundry room and the closet. But I guess probably some people might like that. I'm gonna like the fact that the kitchen there, right next to the master bedroom, is like it's rather than a kitchen I will pop some food late in the night. It I got disturb in the room, so I never really like that. But you know what? Let's go upstairs and see if upstairs give us something better to think about, because so far me not really feel it. But not obviously kind of feel it's more than how me I feel it. So let me see if upstairs can change my mind.
Basement.
This looks nice, but dangerous.
The glass?
New landscaping fence, AC if you want it.
Yeah.
Appliance
And
allowance.
this is the like official laundry room.
Come on. Dangerous with you. Laundry room?
Yeah.
Of stuff. This is nice though. It's built different how we used to.
And I think this would be the like
Bathroom,
the main bathroom outside.
and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is nice, Malika.
Like a ER sheet.
No?
Two sink. ER sheet.
Yeah. No shower curtain. So we gotta be have to be careful.
No, you're that
You're like,
yeah, no. And
that's the
closet.
closet.
This is nice, man. Take up your paper there. This is nice. Malika, you just look dangerous with you.
This will be your room, Malika. This will be your room. Yes. This will be your room.
Yes, you like this? And carpeted. You look nice.
And then this will be a sister's room.
So put them upstairs and we downstairs.
This will be a sister's room. Yeah. Or this will be your room because you're older. And that would be a sister's room.
I not include the basement.
What I include?
The basement, we not see
You
basement.
don't see basement here.
This is nice though. And this is our closet space.
Nice waves.
Nice.
Well, what's that? House is a main building too. I saw them set up nice. So that was all upstairs at the offer, guys. For the most part. Now we are about to check out the basement. The basement is set up like a house in of itself, like most Canadian houses. Or it's designed. Somebody can live in the basement independently. This basement, there's supposed to be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, right? So far, I'm not really feeling this house, guys, to be honest. Do you guys think I'm overreacting, or do you guys think this is a very good house? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this house. Not really like it, and I don't really like it. And, of course, woman always win. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Wow, this is nice. This is an apartment, guys.
Like some more basements. More basements only. Nice.
This is nice.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
Not just a bedroom there?
Yeah, it's a
just,
bedroom.
bedroom.
So it's like a separation. What do you mean, like kitchen or something?
I don't know. That's just storage.
No, nothing is in there, like plumbings and stuff for the entire house. Bathroom big. I don't expect this.
Basement bathroom.
Yeah,
This is nice.
it's the same thing like upstairs.
Yeah. Somebody really look clean.
Go. So 2 bedroom, yeah, remember so 3 upstairs and come MJ.
This is a storage.
storage again.
Close.
Yeah. It's big.
Yeah, I like it.
It's big.
When it snows, snow cover it.
Cover up top, yeah. You realize how down here cool? So you say kitchen? No. Like
I guess you can use it for a kitchen. Based on what set up on this because of the windows too. No, it's not down here like that.
I
And
know.
then you can use right there something like a living
Yeah.
area. Bedroom, bathroom. Nice and cozy.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
I'm gonna leave it on yes.
A lot of basement have a lot of basement up on the yes.
But we're gonna say the other thing is,
What?
we're gonna say like main exit.
You exit upstairs. This is
You
it.
have your own.
You know your own exit.
Yeah, come in and come down.
Come.
I'll just start the door.
No, it's just under the stairs.
Let me think. Come on.
Yeah, please.
So there you have it, guys. That's it for the mostly. We went upstairs, we went downstairs, and we also saw the basement. There are so many things that I like about this house. I think it's a very good house, but there are so many things that I don't like either. And I think what I don't like, well, what I like, right? So I think say, oh, we're not gonna really work with this. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think I'm overreacting? What do you guys think about this house, guys? Right? Of course, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. We really appreciate it. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Please, every subscriber count, and we appreciate all subscribers. Join us on this journey as we go, and we'll find the right house for our family that is increasing at the moment, as you guys know. If you haven't checked out that video already, please go and check it out. Now we're just gonna go outside and look what outside of the house look like.
That one's 593, a little bit smaller square footage. Yeah, both of them, insane.
Oh man.
Yeah. They're cool houses though, right? And they're very modern and different. Right?
Different.
There's
And different,
So you
yeah.
get lots of people coming for
Hey,
you.
where's it go?
Yes. We have to go. Alright. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.